Welcome to Ameya channel. We are doing revision for chapter acid, bases and salt, subject chemistry for class 10th. So let's start the revision again. Okay. Fine. Next question. What happened when a solution of acid is mixed with solution of base in a test tube? What will be the answer? What happened when the solution of acid is mixed with solution of base in a test tube? Answer is already given. The temperature of the solution increases, the temperature of the solution decreases, the temperature of the solution remains the same. The correct answer is D. That is, the salt formation takes place. Definitely we know when acid is mixed with base, salt formation is there. Second important point is definitely there will be a release of the temperature will exactly there is the temperature of the solution increases. Now next question is, an aqueous solution turns red litmus paper solution blue. Excess addition of which of the following solution would reverse the change? Which one is having the power to reverse the change? Okay, Saranya is telling option D is having the power to reverse the change, hydrochloric acid. Okay, I think you're correct only. Kritika, Kirti, Maya, Anila, Saranya, everyone is telling yes, because see, excess addition of correct answer only, because excess addition of which of the following will reverse? Aqueous solution turn red litmus paper solution blue. So definitely basic. If you want to convert it in acidic, then we have to use hydrochloric acid. So option D is the correct one. Now go for question number 10. During preparation of hydrogen chloride gas on a humid day, the gas is usually passed through the guard tube containing calcium chloride. The role of calcium chloride taken in the guard is to absorb evolved gas, moisture in the gas, definitely not. Absorb moisture for the gas, from the gas, yeah, absorb chloride ion from the evolved gas. Which one you feel is correct? And everyone is telling D, 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 D. Anila, Saranya, okay, Saranya saying C, Anila C, Kritika C, Bhumi C, Kirtimaya C. They have given previous answer D, now they have given answer C. Correct, Kirtimaya also C, Bhumi also C. The correct answer is C, because it will absorb moisture from the gas. That's why it is added. Now next question is, which of the following salt does not contain water of crystallization? Ah, super question. Blue Viterol, baking soda, washing soda या gypsum? Sanya is telling D option, Anila B, Kritika B, Saranya sorry B, Bhumi B. Baking soda is the correct answer. Next question. Sodium carbonate is a basic salt because it is a salt of sodium carbonate. Very good. Pavitra, Kirti Maya, Saranya, Kritika, Anila, everyone is telling D. Yes, it is a salt of weak acid and strong base. That's why sodium carbonate is a basic salt. Calcium phosphate is present in tooth enamel. Its nature is basic, acidic, neutral, या amphoteric. Pah, super question. Kritika is telling D. Anila is telling D. Anyone else? Calcium phosphate is present in tooth enamel. Its nature is, Kritika is saying she is not sure. Pavitra, basic. Correct only. Basic only, na. A sample of soil is mixed with water and allowed to settle. The clear supernatant solution turn the pH paper yellowish orange. Which of the following would change the color of this pH paper to greenish blue? Lemon juice, vinegar, common salt, and antacid. Yes, Saranya D, Anila D, Kritika D. The correct answer is antacid. Basic. Basic, basic, basic. Which of the following gives the correct increasing order of acidic strength? Water, acetic acid, hydrochloric. I don't know. Tell me. Correct order of increasing. Okay. Children, starting Saranya D, Anila D, Kritika D, D, Anila A, Pavitra A, Danesh A, Kritika A, Saranya A. Oh, that was previous answer. Now you are giving all of a sudden everybody started answering A. Adit is also A. Why? Because hydrochloric acid is the strongest acid, then acetic acid, and then water. Yes, the correct answer is A. Say the answer. Which of the following phenomena occur when a small amount of acid is added to water? Ionization, neutralization, dilution, salt formation. Kritika A, Adit. Okay, Anila is telling B. Kritika B. Auntie. Saranya B. Kirtimaya also B. Okay, definitely one will be there, ionization, and second one is neutralization. No, dilution. Correct. Ionization and dilution is the correct answer. Neutralization will only take place when acid will react with base. Salt formation will not, definitely be not there. So correct answer is B. 17th question. Which of the following can be used as an acid-base indicator by a visually impaired blind student? Litmus, turmeric, vanilla essence, या petunia leaves. Definitely, three of them is for looking, one is for smelling. So the correct answer will be C. Correct, very good. Now this is the question answer one. Electric conductor. In attempt to demonstrate electrical conductivity through an electrolyte, the following apparatus was set. Okay, see the apparatus nicely. Which among the following statement are correct? Bulb will not glow because electrolyte is not acidic. Yeah. Bulb will glow because NaOH is stronger base and furnished ions for conduction. Bulb will not glow because circuit is incomplete. Bulb will not glow because it depends upon the type of electrolytic solution. Which one you feel is the correct answer? Tell me. C is the correct answer, Saranya. Okay, no auntie. Do you want to see the reaction again before question? Okay. Okay, please show the picture because it is not complete, beta. Here options are A and after that, so I'll make it small. Now will you be able to say the answer? Anila is saying C is the answer. That is 2 only. Bulb will glow because sodium hydroxide is a strong base and furnish iron for conduction. That is the correct answer here, beta. That's why bulb will not glow. Okay, last question for today. Which of the following is used for dissociation of gold? Aha. Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, or aqua regia? Saranya, everyone, Saranya, Anila, Kirtimaya, Pavitra, Kirtika, everyone is telling it's aqua regia. What is the speciality of aqua regia? Can anybody tell me? One word is used for it. You know what is that word used? Okay, Kritika is telling both. Yes, because it can dissolve everything in it. That's why. Correct only. Royal water, magic water. The correct option is D. We are going to keep it till here. Next class, we will continue the remaining part. Fine. Tomorrow itself, we will finish this chapter, most important questions. Okay. Is the session helpful for you? Okay, beta. We'll meet tomorrow again. Bye, beta.